Hello and welcome back to my channel and my series on solving all of the LeetCode problems. And now we're going to problem number 9. If you haven't seen previous videos, I'm going to solve each one. I'm not just explaining, I'm like thinking at the same time. I already solved these ones, so I'm just going to solve them again. But I'm pretty excited to go for 27. I'm starting with the easy ones, going to do all the easy ones, and then I'm going to move to the medium and hard ones. So let's see, Roman to integer. The Roman numerals are represented by 7. Zoom in. Roman numerals are represented by 7 different symbols. I, V, X, L, C, D, M. For example, 2 is written as II, Roman numeral, just 2 1s added together. 112 is written as XII, is X plus II. The number 27 is XXVII, which is 20 plus 5 plus 2. Roman numerals are usually written largest to smallest from left to right. However, the numeral for 4 is not I. Instead, 4 is written IV because the 1 is before the 5. We subtract it, making 4. The same principle applies to the number 9. Yeah, I think number 8 as well. No, 8's not. 8 is 5, 6, 7, 8 is VII. So yeah, okay. So basically we need to convert these to integers. Okay, cool. Okay, so what we need to do now, I think it can go right to left because I think I should open Microsoft Paint. Let's get an example. Okay, let's get this one. 1994. So this is 1994. If we check from left to right, we know that, yeah, 1000, and now it's 900, but we don't know if it's 100 or 900. You need to look after. We need to look ahead. And then X, and then we look ahead because it's X minus C. That's cool. And then I, this is 4, which is V minus I. So we always need to look ahead once. But if we do it the other way around, we'd be like, okay, this is a 5. Let's see if there's a 1. I think this is pretty much the same thing, regardless of if we look ahead or not. Because we don't have IIV. There's always like one look ahead for this. So I guess that, okay, so this is problem, what's the number of this problem? 13. 13 Roman to integrate. So code 13. I'm sorry, in the previous videos, I know that my camera cuts part of the terminal, so here I am. I'm going to do this if necessary. Or just switch it to the other corner. Okay, so let me copy this. As friend solution. We start the object and then go to int, and then we pass an integer, which is, okay, let's just pass this one. Okay. Let's just run the debugger, see if everything works. And yeah, this is the issue that you guys won't see. Yeah, okay, none. Okay, good. Maybe I should zoom in a little bit. Remove this. Yeah, okay, good. So let's go back to the thing. So we have this. Let's just create something like that. Actually, I think we should create this outside the class. Or maybe inside the class. I don't know. I'm not sure how LeetCode will act. So first of all, we create a dictionary that has the correspondence of each character to their number. So let me think of a fast way to do this. So guess this is a good way to go, comma. And now create a dictionary. And why isn't this working? Did this change magically to the English keyboard? God, I hate Windows. Ah, this is awful. So, where the hell is it? Keyboard. Language and keyboard options. English, United Kingdom, Portuguese, Portugal. Maybe I need to put this ahead. If this works now. Doesn't. Okay, I remember the English keyboard version. So I guess this will work. Okay. So yeah, okay, this is English keyboard. So let's just call it correspondence, which is a dict. Come on. I'm like juggling between languages. And now I don't remember where the straight brackets, where the brackets are. Gosh. Why does this happen to me? I hate this. Okay, found it. The string to integer. Where's the equal? Where the hell is the equal sign? I need the equal sign. Equals. Equal. Okay. Found it. Okay, correspondence. It's gonna be a tough video. I'm not gonna quit. Okay, so for total sum equals 0. Uh-huh. And now for char in S, let's see. Okay. Char and char index in enumerates. Let's see. This is not gonna work because I want to maybe want to skip charts, so I will need to do a while loop, and I'll start with a chart index of 0. Well, chart index is smaller than the length of S. Right. Of course, we need to initialize this. Type here. If you don't program with types in Python, you're missing out. So now, cur char is equal to S of char index, and correspondence of that, because we want to know which value it represents. Cur int that's it, and this is an integer. Yeah, type safe, baby. And now we check the next one. If char index is smaller than the length of S minus 1, minus 2, then we check the next one. So we do next char. Let me just copy this. This will be helpful. Replace the cur with next char index plus 1. Okay, where's the plus? Don't do this to me. Like I got everything except for the plus. The plus. I don't believe I'm gonna do this, but yeah. Hope I don't need the plus so much. Okay, so next char, next int. Yeah, okay, so if next char is in, and now we specify the ones that are relevant. Oh, first we need to check if the current char is one that allows for subtraction. If current char in IV and X, no, I think all of them, let's see, I can be placed before this and this, X can be placed before this and this, C can be placed before this and this. So it's I, X, and C. Let's see. Just past them. Just formatting it for now. Why is it not formatting? Yeah, because I have this thing. Okay, if current char is in this array, then we need to check all of this. So if next char, so now it's a bit weird. So if next char if current char is equal to I, and next char is V or X, so next int, and so total sum is plus equal. What? Oh yeah, I don't know where the plus sign is. Plus or equal. Oh, found it. It's over the equal. Plus or equal to next int minus current int. And like this. Now I need to add some more cases here, but let me just finish the logic. And now we do continue. And we do char index plus equals 2. Plus equals 2. Great. Continue. So basically, if nothing of this matches, we just say total sum is equal. You just add something to it. You just add the current integer. And char index plus equals 1. I think this is it. And then we return total sum. Remove this pass here. And now let me just put all of this inside curly brackets and do some OR statements. So now we just need to see, go back here, XLC, XLC, or CDM, CDM. Okay, fingers crossed. Okay, 1996. We wanted 1994, right? Yeah. Okay, so now onto the debugger. So S is MCM, so we want the M, right? So it's 1,000. Yeah, so M is not here. So we just add 1,000 to the total sum and we move on to the next one. Okay, C is here. I think it's the -2 here. Let me just redo all of this. See what happens. 1994. Yeah. Let me just go ahead and paste this. Oh yeah, I'm too zoomed in. And now I'm just, whoopsie, didn't want to do this. Gonna press submit. Okay, accepted. So this beats 91.55 and beats 39.26 in memory. Well, I'm happy with the results. So let me just check. In May, I did worse. No, I did a little better memory, did worse on time. So I'm considering this a victory. So thank you so much for watching.